I'm going to teach you how to create a magical video like this where your clothes appear at the tap of a finger. So if you haven't downloaded our app Lapse, please download that. It's a stop motion video app and it's available on Apple and Android. We have our phone on the edge of the desk here. As you can see, you don't need an overhead tripod or anything fancy. Just use a desk or a table or a side table or even a chair. Just make sure the phone isn't moving at all while you're shooting, so have it still. It's also important to make sure your exposure and white balance are locked so that it's not auto-adjusting as items are moving in and out of frame, because that'll cause a flickery light look when you play this back at a high speed after. So as always, we're going to shoot this backwards, and we have our setup here. And Teresa here, which is our amazing hand model and our head of marketing, she is slowly moving her hand in, and we're taking a bunch of pictures as she does this. When she gets to the shoes, she's going to point down, tap on them, keep her fingers still, and then I'm coming in to remove the shoes. Make sure her hand is still aligned with the ghosted feature and take the photo, and then slowly have the hand move out while you're taking a bunch of photos. It's important that you just do small little movements between each shot of the hand moving out. We're going to repeat this process with the top here and then also with the pants. So I'm going to speed this up here just so you get the point. Please observe how little her hand is moving between each shot, because when we play this back at a high speed, we want it to look like the hand is moving in nice and smooth. She moved the light here a bit, and I did scream a bit, but it's fine. It didn't really impact anything. So we're just doing it here with the pants as well. This type of video is handy with 2 people. However, you can pull it off with just 1 person. You just kind of have to use your hand and look up at the phone. Okay, let's dive into editing. We opened our editor and this shot upside down, so we're just rotating it, and it's super slow. You can see the rest of the background in the video. So we're going to the tilt feature. It's not very obvious, but you can pinch and zoom to adjust the crop. And I'm also increasing the brightness here. This is a pro feature in the app, and I'm cropping it. Let's see how this looks. Okay, this is way too slow, so let's speed it up. Awesome, I love how this turned out. The backdrop is a little dirty. It did get a little damage on the way into the office, but overall, I think the effect is awesome. There you go, a really cool effect that was shot and edited in only 3 minutes using our phone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps get our videos in front of more people on YouTube. All about that algorithm. We'll be releasing the tutorials on how we created all of these videos using our app Lapse. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button if you want to catch those tutorials. If you plan to recreate the video from this tutorial and post it to social media, specifically Instagram, I'd absolutely love to see how the video turned out. Please tag us at @lifelapse_app, or you can use #lifelapse, and you'll get a chance to be featured on our Instagram page. Thanks for watching.